Watch how I bring this painting together with a little bit of gouache right at the end. I'm painting this scene, this harbour scene. Ignore that bandage on my hand, I'll explain why that's there later. First I'm putting in some cobalt blue and cobalt turquoise for the sky. Bit of green as I get closer to the foreground, leaving some whites of the paper. I'm negatively painting around a bit of this cruise ship here and darkening up as I get closer to the horizon. Look at that train, what a beautiful spot here in Port de Sierre. Bit of dry brush, loads of action. That's what I like to see and live in my sketches. Cobalt turquoise on my ocean. Okay, those hills in the background, they need to be a little bit darker, so I'm going over them again. Now I'm going to paint in some of that cruise ship. Okay, so let's see, what have we got going on here? A magic trick. Watch this point turn into a paintbrush. Ah, okay, let's darken up the water a little bit. Cobalt turquoise. Some imaginary boats there on the side. And some reflections of people standing on this pontoon that I was jumping off with my daughter earlier on. Okay, scratching a few little bits and pieces here. Oh, excuse me. Okay, now, the piece de la resistance. Watch as I put in the highlights of these boats and I darken up these people on the pontoon next to these highlights to make them really, really pop. There's my wife. Hi. Hi. Oh, cute. Okay, there I have it done. It's a little bit busy here for this train passing, so... this train passing, it's not a tree, sorry, that drink is good. Anyway, excuse me.